Is it really possible to make a 3-ingredient Nutella brownie? All signs point to yes, because it's time for you to join me in the kitchen. And oh yes, it's low carb. Y'all, this 2-ingredient brownie trend is everywhere. It's on TikTok, which I'm not on. Just type it in the Google search bar and you see 115 gazillion bajillion. I mean, it's even made its way onto Food Network. So I had to dig into it. I mean, is it a trend that's gonna stay? Is it like tight row jeans, scrunched hair? Well, I did a little bit of changey-wangey. I'm gonna give you the grade of it at the end. And go ahead and like this video for me, okay? Set that oven to 350 degrees. This recipe calls for 4 eggs. Now, we absolutely love eggs in this low-carb kitchen. 1 egg has 75 calories, 7 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat. And I want to give a little shout out to one of my clients who bought me these awesome farm-raised eggs. I absolutely love them, love to cook with them. And you can see my messy self has absolutely 0 ways of cracking eggs. So if you have a better way to crack eggs and to dispose of them, I should probably have a bowl or a trash can. But I don't. I'm just putting to the side. Just go ahead and let me know in the comments section, baboo. Now, here's where it gets interesting. We need to take our hand mixer and whip these bad boys for a pretty long time, for about 5 to 10 minutes. And we are going to keep this going until it gets kind of frothy. And really the reason to do this is so that the brownie doesn't come out so dense. You know, I can remember eating those cafeteria brownies growing up, and even brownies at our restaurants, and they pretty much laid flat on the ground, were super dense. Let me know in the comment section if you know what I am talking about. And this is kind of a long time now. It's shorter than making a roux. Y'all know that I'm from the great state of Louisiana, but I usually watch TV in the background while I'm doing this instead of talking to y'all. I have it on my Snapped, of course. Let me know your crazy favorite crime drama show to watch in the comments. And while we're mixing this is going to take a little while, gang. If you love low carb and laughter, do me a little favor, subscribe and like to this channel. Now we're ready to make the magic happen with our Lakanto Sunnutella spread. That's a replacer for our Nutella, and our Crazy Richards peanut butter. We're using a 1/2 cup of each. Now you're gonna notice that both are kind of thin, they're kind of liquidy, and this is where we may be talking about this a little bit later. You're gonna go ahead and put it in your microwave safe bowl, walk it over to microwave, go ahead and follow me. Shout out to my daughter, who's the one who is filming this. I love you, Mireille. We're gonna microwave this for 60 seconds. Now when this is complete, we're gonna go ahead and remove it from the microwave. Be careful. My dumb self should have worn some pot holders, but I didn't, so I'm walking pretty fast. And we are gonna go ahead and pour this in our egg mixture and take that hand mixer and beat it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, this was a little scary part. I kind of got nervous, like, will it combine? It did, and you could see the batter looks amazing. And this is where I made a huge mistake. I didn't try it. I kind of had that old home economics teacher yelling in my head, "You're gonna get salmonella, Shelly." But I might have should have risked it a little bit, because we'll talk about that in a second. Now this is where I need a little bit of help, y'all. I got some parchment paper in my baking pan, and y'all see that I'm pouring this in here, and it ain't even. I probably should have took a spatula, evened it out, but I didn't. Look at my lazy self trying to make it all even. Shame on me. Go ahead and put it in that oven. 25 minutes. I'm so excited to take it out the oven. Here we go. She looks bad. She looks bad, y'all. She's cracked up and she's all uneven. This is terrible. I cannot bring this to church. The ladies will be clutching their pearls when they see this. But wait a minute. Yes, I am cooking mushrooms in the background. That is Worcestershire sauce. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm so sorry, because we need to talk about this. Taste-wise, friends, pretty good. let's talk about the hacks that I would do with this. Instead of the Nutella, Lakanto, and the Crazy Richards, I would use a brand called Good Good. It's a lot smoother, it's a lot thicker, and it has such a sweeter flavor. The other thing I would do, it's dense. It's still super duper dense. So I would separate the egg whites from the yolks and really beat the egg whites for probably 10 minutes. And then because she's cracked so much, I would cook it a little bit less, about 20 minutes. So overall, I give this recipe a B. A B is good, gang. Top it off with some sugar-free Cool Whip. And I always encourage folks, try trends. If it fails, it's okay. We are allowed to make mistakes in the kitchen. And for more low carb and laughter, and tell me your suggestions for improvement below, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And I love you all, gang. Bye-bye.